Paano nga ba makuha ang first term? Kailangan mo lang tingnan ang given sequence, then get the first term. This one. This one is number of 2. Let's solve it. We get the answer. Here's my second sequence. Let's solve it. We get the answer.
Made so you bagged him. I'm a savage.
Welcome. Today we will solve the geometric sequence. Ako nga pala si Prince Charles T. Pontilo. Pogi na. Guwapa. Saan ako matalino pa? Kunin niyo na ako dito. So, first of all, this is the formula of the geometric sequence. Okay, so now that you know that, hindi ko alam kung dito sa gilid sa dito. Basta, ito, kita mo yan. That's the formula of the geometric sequence. AN equals A sub 1 times R N minus 1. That's the formula. Okay, so listen very carefully. So for the step 1, finding the common ratio. To get the common ratio, you have to divide the first two numbers. Our first two numbers is 3 and 6. You see that 3 and 6. That's our first common. That's our first two terms. So we have to divide them to each other. R equals 6 divided by 3. You get 2. That's your common ratio. Your common ratio is 2, so it's gonna be R equals 2. That's your common ratio. Okay. Step 2, finding the first term. If you don't know this, you're dumb. Also, our first term is 3. 3 is our first term, so you just put down first term 3. Next, now that you have found your first term, next is the n term, which is the thing we're solving for, is the 10 term. So the 10 term is our n term. So you see that. I don't know. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, I'm doing random hand signs, bro. I'm so sorry. Now, solving for the 10th term. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Make sure to stand by and watch. Make sure to hit that follow button. So this is what you do. A 10th term equals your first term. Just follow the formula. Now our first term, then our common, then multiply by our common ratio, then For the next term, then you do 10 minus 1, which is our next up is 10 minus 1. That's our 10th term. Just gonna have to do subtract it by 1. So next is, now you just copy the exact same thing but replace 10 with with 9, because 10 minus 1 equals 9. Yes, see, now put down 9. You put down 9 above 2. Yes, like that. Now to get the second sheet, you have to multiply 2 to the power of 9. So 2 to the power of 9, meaning you have to multiply 2 9 times. So the answer is gonna be A10 equals 3 times 112 and 512. We got 512. I'm so sorry. Yes, now that's done. Next up, you multiply 3 by 512 to get your 10th term. Now, this is how you do it. Just write out the same thing. So it's gonna be 3 divided by times by 512, and you get as your nth term, A10 equals 1536. That's your 10th term, and you just solve it. Congrats! You just solved. Next is Fibonacci sequence by Arvin Zabalboro.
What is Fibonacci? It is a sequence of numbers where each number is in the sum of the two numbers before it. First, the term number from 0 onward like this. Each number is made by adding the two numbers before it. Fibonacci sequence can be written as a rule.
Example of Fibonacci sequence: 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 to 10th term. In this sequence, we are finding the 10th term. To get the 10th term, you just have to add the two numbers before. So it will be like this: 5 plus 8 equals 13, 8 plus 13 equals 21, 13 plus 21 equals 34. So our 10th term is 34.
Para makuha ang first term, kailangan mo lang tingnan ng arithmetic.
Ako nga pala si Prince Charles Steven Delaw, Pogi Nasa. Today we will read. Tungkol easy. Pogi may APs. Patay ka sa akin. Akala mo, uy, ano boy, dilipad ko. Wait lang. Time out.